guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. It's been long, almost after Eid के बाद एक दो दिन I did shoot, and then after that I stopped, and it's been really long, so I just thought let's start the vlog. So after Eid I was busy into a few other things. I'm really not sure if I'm gonna put it up here or not, but I was busy in a lot of things, and now I just thought I have some time now. Let's start the new vlog and come up here and show you guys what's going on. So it's been really long. Now I'm gonna be more punctual towards it, and I'll try and shoot and put a vlog almost like twice or thrice a week. So yeah, Eid has been very good in Mumbai, and Mumbai से आके हमको almost one week 8-9 days हो गए हैं. And this weekend we are planning to go out for a staycation. It's been really long. In fact, for me the last trip was Dubai, and came from Dubai in Jan, I think, yeah, mid-Jan. And उसके बाद से I've not been anywhere. Altamash was out for his work trip to New Zealand, and after that Ramzan start हो गया and we couldn't do much. So I have planned a small staycation, like a day kind of a thing, where we both are going out. I mean, I really needed that break, and I really believe going for a small staycation or a stay for a day or something, it's really important and special. We just feel so relaxed. So that is the reason I've planned. I was actually planning for a particular date in this month, because this month is very special for us. We started talking in this month, and so that was around Eid, and I couldn't plan anything around that time because we were in Mumbai, and I didn't wanted to just plan things without thinking कि आगे क्या होगा. So I just thought, let's just hold on, let's complete, like let's enjoy Eid properly, and then come back home, and then we'll decide and do. I was planning for a surprise, but luckily I did not, so which is a good thing. And now we are going on this weekend, which is tomorrow. So I just thought, let's take you guys. I'm not sure I've ever been out in Pune for a staycation kind of a thing. It's gonna be first time, but I'm really excited. मूवी थी 2 घंटा इज लाइक नथिंग. इंटरवल के बाद भी इट्स जस्ट 2 hours only. Now I can't do my hair. It was good. I really enjoyed it. बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. I liked it. Ultimately बुक कर लो. अच्छा. Looks pretty good. और open, but open pool. It's fine ना.
काम में जाएंगे.
Looks good. हाँ, बुक कर लेते.
चलो.
Let's go home and book. हाँ. यार but वो हयात was also good property. अगर हो गया होता तो अच्छा रहता. Then I like this one also. ये भी अच्छी है. से आई टेक द बैकपैक, तुम वो दूसरा ले लो. हाँ आंटी को देकर मैं जब तक बैग नीचे रख दे दो प्लीज. मैंने बैग यहाँ रख दिया है. All ready to go, and कल after movie we got busy booking the room for today, cause हमने जो book किया था that got cancelled, and due to that we have to come back home and book again. And we booked actually Hyatt, and उसमें कल आज actually pool operational नहीं था, तो they called us yesterday before going to the movie that this is the situation, they have some event there, so they won't be operational today. So I was like यार पूरा motive of going and relaxing there to enjoy the pool also मर जाएगा, so let's cancel it. And they cancelled it, they gave us the refund, and we booked it after coming back from the movie. So finally we are going, and आज सुबह से I did not get that much of time. I was busy. सारे घर के काम खत्म करके maids and all are gone. Now we are leaving. We have a check-in around 3 o'clock. It's almost 2 to 10, so we're going a little early. So yeah. It's more like JW only, I feel. The room is not that big as compared to JW, but it's quite good. View is also okay. कोलून का है
First floor.
ड्रैगन दिस इज द रेस्टोरेंट. गरम है
कितनी बड़ा है इनका पता
अभी भी बहुत एम्प्टी है. रूम से निकलो तो समझ में इट्स सो हॉट. चलो लेट्स ये तो लेट्स गो. आई होप कोई रहे नहीं तो अच्छा है. वैसे ही छोटा पूल है. फिर सो मच बेटर ना. अभी गर्म नहीं लग रहा है. इतना मस्त लग रहा था. वेदर इज ऑल्सो नाइस. इनफैक्ट जब पानी में से बाहर निकल रहे थे तो ठंडी लग रही थी. आई सनस्क्रीन इधर है. स्टिक इधर है. चश्मा इधर. So just had shower and after coming from pool थोड़ा सा भूख लगी तो we just checked the menu. Menu is super expensive and उसमें fries थे ही नहीं. Just wanted to eat little because we have planned for our dinner, so we'll be going for that. But the menu is super expensive. I don't know for what reason, like very expensive. But we have ordered fries because we didn't wanted to eat much going for dinner. तो भूख तो लगी. After when you come out from the pool, we anyways feel very hungry, so we are hungry currently. So just did this quick makeup as we are going out for dinner. This pretty blue line. I was so done with black, so I tried blue, and it looks pretty good. Now I have to quickly get ready, and we'll go for dinner. So we are out for dinner. हम लोग ने actually एक जगह booking किया. Let's see. I hope खाना अच्छा. We're going there for the first time. He's doing जलेबी. चॉकलेट केक नहीं है लगे पास. मुझे इनिशियली सब आई कि नहीं अच्छा रहेगा, बट देन मेन्यू अच्छा पड़ा है बट क्वालिटी नहीं अच्छी है फूड. आई थिंक आई फॉरगॉट माय स्टिक एट द रेस्टोरेंट. वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू गेट दैट. आई डोंट नो हाउ. आई एम नॉट श्योर. टू चेक इन द कार. हम थोड़ा बाहर आए थे जस्ट पूरा वापस जाना पड़ेगा. मुझे समझ नहीं मेरे को याद कैसे नहीं रहा. मतलब मेरे हाथ में वो कैन था इसमें. चल आई गेव यू द बॉटल ना. कैन है इधर बट मुझे जितना याद है मेरे हाथ में सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ थी. आई डोंट थिंक स्टिक थी मेरे हाथ में. सो आई लेफ्ट माई स्टिक विच आई यूज टू रिकॉर्ड थिंग्स. वो मैंने एक्चुअली खाना खाने के लिए कहीं छोड़ दी. चलते मुझे जस्ट वेंट टू गेट इट. द फूड ऑफ दिस रेस्टोरेंट वॉज नॉट दैट ग्रेट. आई मीन स्टार्टिंग में मुझे घुसने के साथ थोड़ा सा वाइब आया बट देन आई जस्ट फेल्ट लेट्स ट्राई एंड देन यू नो नॉट जज. And then starters were very okay. Food तो मैंने खाया ही नहीं because I was so done with the starters. थोड़ा बहुत चखा but it was not that great. And desserts तो I just had ice cream. दूसरी चीज़ें थी but it was not that great. So yeah, not coming the next time. Guys, the stick is here. So I was just recording and I just realized कि stick यहीं है. Oh God, I have to tell Altamash phone भी नहीं लेके गए. So I was just recording here and I realized कि यहीं पर stick है. I couldn't see. मतलब it was black complete. तो दिखा नहीं. I have to tell Altamash. I don't know. I'm gonna tell him. He left his phone here. Oh God. हम पूरा 10 पता में ट्रैवल करके फिर से इधर आए just to get the stick and stick is in the car. Now I don't know what Altamash will do.
good. Give me a bread. Brown bread, huh? It's a multigrain, I think. It's a brown bread.
This is brown.
Butter. So she gave us this table. वहाँ chairs ही गायब हो गई. You can't have from my plate. Fruit चाहिए? मुझे घर नहीं जाना है. मुझे घर नहीं जाना है.
मुझे तो उसका प्रेस भी करने का पैराम प्रेस करने का था. प्रेस नहीं.
So now it's time to go. एक दिन almost हो गया and now we are leaving. यहाँ फील ही नहीं हुआ एक दिन जैसा but still. Time to go. चलो let's go. सब चेक कर लिए? हमने कुछ निकाला ही नहीं था ज़्यादा. चार्जर I took the charger.
चार्जर ली.
हाँ I took the charger. बाकी और कुछ नहीं निकाला था. Let's go.
मैं अंदर कपड़े से निकाल के ली.
हाँ एक बार चेक कर लो ना. निकाला मैंने से तो सब बट स्टिल जस्ट चेक वंस. वहाँ चेक कर लो. चेक इन द वॉशरूम ऑल्सो वंस. So it's time to leave. Ultimately just getting the checkout done. And after this now we are just going back home. घर पे बहुत दूसरे काम है so we're just gonna start with that. First we were thinking we'll go a little bit of shopping but abhi now we're planning to go home because it's too hot. And then maybe evening we will go and get few things that are needed. So थोड़ा बहुत shop करना है so we're just gonna go for that today. So we are just back home and I was sending some pictures to one of my customers. She wanted bows, all the ready stuff that I have. So I was just sending that. So घर आके we had food, थोड़ा सा रेस्ट किया. Now I'm completely changed. I've got different earrings. Now उतने लंबे पहनने का मूड नहीं था. Now we are going out. थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें रिटर्न करनी. So going to city. And मैंने थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ शूट किया. I've got some things from Nykaa. आज इतना ट्रैफिक इतना क्राउड है. आई डोंट नो फॉर सम रीजन संडे है इसलिए. तो ये आई डोंट नो व्हाई इतना रश है. डिसाइड करो कहाँ खाने जाना है.
तुम बोलो.
बहुत लोग हैं आज. आई डोंट नो व्हाट. संडे है तो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ फैमिलीज आई थिंक आज. आई थिंक वेडिंग का टाइम पे भी है तो इट्स मोर ऑफ दैट शॉपिंग दैट्स गोइंग ऑन करेंटली. हम लोग को जो काम था वो हो गया. एक्सचेंज कराना था करा दिए. क्या करके खाएंगे काम.
और इधर की
So ending this vlog here, it's the next day and I just thought let's end the vlog because next vlog is going to be very exciting. We are actually traveling again and I can't really tell you this place. I am super excited. It's my birthday, so we are going for that. All the details gonna come in the next vlog. This is a very special place for us and I have to prepare for that. So kal we'll be leaving for Mumbai again because the next day we have a flight which is on my birthday. I have to start packing. मैंने packing कुछ भी नहीं किया है, so I'm just gonna do all the packing today. I really don't have time, so just let's end this vlog here. It's a very small vlog, but this weekend was very happening for us, especially to go and do a stay for a day is a complete different feeling. You should definitely give it a try. Even if you are in the same city, you should very often do this thing where you just go and do a staycation for a day. It just completely, you know, relax you so much, and I really like doing that a lot. We used to do when we were in Mumbai as well. Mumbai mein hoke hi we used to go and stay in Mumbai to this really great property, and that feeling is very different. You just feel so relaxed. किसी चीज़ का tension नहीं, कुछ नहीं, and it's very important to do those things in life, and I just feel that's very important. Should they try once at least 3-4 months, and that's what we did, and I completely enjoyed. फिर movie and all that stuff we did. So this weekend was very happening, but abhi now I have to get back to packing. So that's it for this vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification so you don't miss any of the videos, and I'll try and be more active and give you guys more vlogs. So just wait for the next vlog, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.